Part of our dinghy ride around the Benjamin Islands.
There's gorillas out there.
We met a new couple, invaded their territory. Now who's this?
Lucas and Shanna.
Lucas and Shanna, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. You'll watch our stuff while we go, right?
Yes, we will take care of it.
Another 5 minutes anyway.
How much beer is in it?
Not enough.
Not enough, that's why we're going into town.
We are in the Benjamins. Filet mignon with some baked potatoes, wax beans, what else there? Mushrooms, wine, Benjamins in the background. This is our anchorage for the night. Living large. It is Saturday night, so the locals must have shown up. Let me see if I can get up out of here. It's just about sunset, and we have quite a few boats out there that have anchored with us. Got our kayaks that we've got ready to go. We did a little kayaking today. A lot of boats up in the little harbor in the Benjamins. One of the busiest harbors we've been in. We left the Benjamins. What is it, July 24th?
Yes.
And we're headed to Little Current. There's no wind, so we're motoring. The group from North Cape, 3 boats there, and a trawler way back there. We have Idalong, Windlass, Aqua V, and B4. And we're Nemesis.
It's on channel, I'm not sure where. Luna is at Darch. Echo is zooming in from East Grant on their way to Blind River.
Roy, this is Wanderer in Spider Bay.
Wanderers in Spider Bay Marina.
Good morning, Roy. This is Starting Soon, also in Spider Bay. Over.
So if you are north and west of Little Current, north and west of Little Current, come in.
Relay for change of pace headed into Gore Bay and no excuse, no location.
Change of pace is headed to Gore Bay.
Here we are in Little Current. We went over and did the cruiser's net with Roy. It's pretty interesting. I think everybody enjoyed that. And we're going to Covered Portage. Trailer sailors are going to be there the next day, so we're going to go there early to try and get a good anchor spot before they arrive. We are waiting for the bridge to open. It happens on the hour at 11 o'clock. It's a swing bridge. It used to be an old railroad bridge, and so there's only room for one car to pass on there. There's a red light on each end, so that they have to switch the red light and let cars go the opposite direction. And of course, when it opens, they stop the traffic both ways. Here's the Little Current Swing Bridge opening for us. 11 o'clock bridge. No, they're not. Well, we got a little wind, so we're sailing towards Strawberry Lighthouse right now. Probably can't see it yet, it's up ahead. Got a little competition. We're not working too hard at sailing fast, so this works though. And we have Aquavie and Elon behind us. Well, B4 passed us. Right at the lighthouse. I guess that's the mark. At Strawberry Lighthouse on Strawberry Island. We sailed from a little current to Covered Portage Cove, and the tall ship Playfair sailed in, anchored near us. We have our friend on Eidolon, who's next to us. Windlass is over here, and we have a beautiful sunset going on. Bob on B4 is out there, one of those boats, and so we will see what happens tomorrow. Here we are. It's Wednesday, July 26, 2023, and we are in Covered Portage Anchorage. Covered Portage Cove. I think they must have called it Covered Portage because it's got rock walls around it that are pretty impressive. From here, if you came in your kayak, you can carry your kayak about a quarter mile across the peninsula and out to what is it? McGregor. No, it's not McGregor Bay, is it? Fraser Bay, and then you can paddle across there and you can go over to the pool. Well, tonight we're gonna have a potluck on Eidolon. We see Eidolon, however they pronounce that. They're anchored beside us at Covered Portage Cove, and it's Mexican night. Should be good. 5 boats worth of people, be about 10. It's gonna be 10 people. Not about. There they are out there. We left Covered Portage Cove, short motor over to Killarney. About 3 miles. Coming down the Killarney Channel. Here we are enjoying our day at the laundromat. This is in Killarney. Got one here that's alive. It's alive! Killarney. Hello, hello. Okay, goodbye. Killarney, a little fishing village. Back. Didn't even have a road here. You had to get here by boat until 1962. Then they put a road in. General store, laundromat, payphone. This is Herbert's Fish and Chips. We always come here when we come to Killarney. They have the best fish I've ever had. They have a fishing boat that goes out in the morning, brings them back, they clean them and start cooking them, and they are fresh and delicious. Here's the pathway to our boat. Some of the residents here to greet us. There's a beaver lodge. Saw a beaver earlier, but I didn't get the video of them. Picture of the old bus that Herbert used to cook their fish out of. You'd order your fish there. It was the best. That's the fishing boat, Playfair. It goes out and gets the fish. Here we are, and this is Killarney and Kearney Mountain Lodge. And we can come out. We went around, went up into the covered Portage Cove, and you can come down here, go down the Lansdowne Channel. Tomorrow we're going to go up and we're going to go into Bay Fin up here, and we'll come over here. We can get to, let's see, that's Marianne Cove, so we plan to go there. But you can go all the way up in and go into the Narrows here, and then you get back way back in the back, and this is the pool area. And this is, Bay Fin is the only freshwater fjord in the world, is what they say.